We hold a very warm place in our heart for Carnival because they are the cruise lines that initiated the entire cruise industry for the city of Galveston. It is now my honor as mayor of the city of Galveston to represent the city and say officially, I declare February 24th, Carnival Jubilee Day. Thank you.
Wow. That's amazing. The key to the city. Carnival was founded by Ted Arison in 1972. Today, February 24th, would have been Ted's 100th birthday. And I know he would be as proud as we are to see where Carnival, how far we have come. This has been a remarkable period of growth and success for our company, as this is the fourth of 5 ships we have added to our fleet in less than 20 months. You also know this is the first brand new ship to be home ported here in Galveston, and I'm pretty sure this is the first ship that will wear the Star of Texas on her bow. Texas is her forever home. She ain't going anywhere. So I think we did really well for Carnival Jubilee with a very special godmother who needs no introduction, Gwen Stefani. So on behalf of 48,000 Carnival Cruise Line team members, ship and shore, thank you and welcome to Carnival Cruise Line, Godmother. So why don't you and Captain come on up?
I am so honored to be here, you guys. Thank you for having me. All right, here we go. In the observance of the ancient and sacred traditions of the sea, I hereby name this ship Carnival Jubilee. May good fortune shine on all who work and sail on her, and may she always have smooth seas and a following wind wherever she may sail. Hey!
All right,
I get the fun! Oh my gosh!
And we're gonna count it down all together. Are y'all ready? All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.